Jai Hind children, myself Ajay Kumar from the holy city of Kashi, that is Varanasi. I welcome you to my channel Now Section. Children, this is the original paper of Pradhan Mantri SSV Scholarship Scheme 2022. Last year the format was in computer based test, and this year they are going to take on OMR sheet. Just as humble request, please see the Shrestha paper also, because both exams, Shrestha as well PM SSV are taken by NTA, that is National Testing Agency. So you must see all the questions. I have already shown the math questions to you, and today I am going to show you the science question. And one request is there, if you want to join the WhatsApp group, you can get the link in the description box. And one more thing, if I am showing these questions from Raghav Prakashan book. If you need this book, you can see the description. In description you will get the link book. Okay, let's start our questions today. Here is the first question. Question number 1: heat and light are produced in the sun by the process of. Just in the comment section, please comment in sun which gases are found. Mainly two gases are found. Which are the two gases? Okay, and the option here is correct is nuclear fusion. Okay, due to the fusion of two gases, the heat and the light energy is produced in the sun. And you have to just in the comment section you have to tell me what are the two gases. Okay, and let's go to the second question. Question number 32. Given below are two statements. Statement 1: sound can travel through water. Statement 2: sound travel faster in vacuum. In the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Both statement and statement 2 are true, and the options other are both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. As you know, sound can be heard even underwater, and sound require any medium to travel. So in vacuum you will find there is no medium, therefore it will not travel in vacuum. So for option number 3 is correct. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Just in comment section, can you tell me sound travel faster in which medium? Solid or liquid or gas, that is air. Okay, in which medium sound will travel more faster? Question number 33. Which of the statement are not true for earthquakes? Okay, earthquake is not correct. ठीक है, whenever you have been asked not, you should be careful. Earthquake is sudden shaking or trembling of the earth for a short time. It's correct. Most earthquakes are caused by the movement of the plates of earth. It is also correct. More destructive earthquakes have magnitude higher than 4 in Richter scale. And fourth option is earthquake are measured by an instrument called earthquake meter. Here you know it is measured by Richter scale. So the option D is here correct as per question, and option C is also correct. It becomes more destructive when its magnitude is more than 4. Here the answer will be option number 3, D only. Okay, here you have to match the following. List 1 and list 2 has been provided. So we are going to match it. Tilling, plow, sowing for seed drill, harvesting with sickle, and threshing with combine machine. So we have already matched it, and for this the option 1 is correct. In this question again statements are given. First statement is there: cotton and woolen cloths are non-biodegradable. They are biodegradable. So this statement is wrong. Statement 2: tin, aluminum and metals cans are non-biodegradable. So as per the question, statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true, because the metals generally are not biodegradable. Here again we have to match the options: Louis Pasteur, Edward Jenner, Robert Koch or Alexander Fleming. Here Louis Pasteur has given fermentation, Edward Jenner has given smallpox vaccine, Robert Koch has discovered this anthrax, and Alexander Fleming penicillin, the first antibiotic. So as per the question, the option number 3 is correct. In this question, which amongst the following non-metal is stored under water? It is not under kerosene. Basically the questions are asked for sodium, which is kept under kerosene. This question is regarding water. So here phosphorus is the correct answer. Phosphorus non-metal is kept under water that it avoids catching fire through contact with atmospheric oxygen. Can you tell me where this phosphorus is used and you use in day-to-day life? This is a very important question. You should answer in the comment section. Here question number 38. Petroleum Conservation Research Association advises people how to save petrol diesel while driving. The tips given are as follow. Here, drive at high speed constantly. Second is switch. Let me see the options first. Switch off the engine. This is incorrect. Switch off the engine at a place where you have to wait. This is correct. Ensure less tire places. No. It should be a good tire pressure as per the requirement of the vehicle. Drive at a constant speed as far as possible. This one is correct. So we found options B and D as correct. Okay. Question number 39. The large area of protected land for conservation of wildlife, plant and animal resources and traditional life of tribal is called. So it is called biosphere area. The vast protected area for this for tribal are called biosphere reserve. Okay, this is basically reserve, I think so, not area. Question number 40 is that again two statements are there and you have to find which statement is true or wrong. Statement 1, the entire content of the cell is known as protoplasm, which is the living substance. This is a correct statement. Statement 2, protoplasm includes the cytoplasm and the nucleus. If you will comment in the comment section, I can tell you the complete cell chapter, because the cell chapter is very important. And here we find that both the statements are correct. So option number 1 is correct. Question number 41. What is the stage of the embryo in which all the body parts can be identified? All body parts of the fetus can be identified during the fetus. So here is option number 4 is correct. Again question number 42, statements are there and we have to find which one is true and which one is false. Internal fertilization takes place in hen. This one is correct. Before the heart cell is formed around the developing embryo, the hen finally lays the egg. This one is incorrect. So here the option 3 is correct. This is again a match the following question. Question number 43. Thyroxine, if there is a reduction in thyroxine hormone, it will cause goiter. Insulin will cause diabetes, adrenaline will cause stress, and growth hormone is released by pituitary gland. So I have matched the following, and the option for this as per the question, I will show you the options. It is option number 2. Okay. Again a question for statement here. Question number 44. Force cannot change the shape of an object. This is not correct. Force can make an object move from rest. This is correct. Force cannot change the direction of motion. This is not correct. Suppose a ball is traveling and I am applying a force by my leg, the ball, so it changes the direction of the motion of the ball, the speed of the object. This is correct. Suppose a ball is traveling football is traveling, I have stopped with my leg. Its motion will stop here. So we find that B and D are correct here. So option number 2 is correct. Brake pads are used in the brake system of bicycle and automobiles too. Basically, we use to stop the vehicle. In the brake system, brake pads are used to increase friction. How the vehicle stops? We increase the friction. So this is a very important question. Option number 1 is correct. Again, question number 46. When electric current is passed through copper sulfate, it dissociates into the following. So it dissociates into copper and sulfate. The option 1 is here correct. Question number 47. Choose the appropriate statement with respect to electroplating. Electroplating process you must be knowing. In electroplating, zinc coating on the surface of iron is done to protect it from corrosion. It is a low cost operation. Chromium is not used on jewelry. And again, iron cans are used for storing food by coating them within. Okay, so here we will find option 2 as correct. Means here the options A and D are correct. So coating of zinc on iron protects it from corrosion, and can for storing food are used for electroplating tin onto iron. Okay. This was question number 48. A ray is incident at an angle of 30 degree. Let me explain this question. A mirror is there, okay, and the angle of incidence is making angle of 30 degree with the mirror, and it is asking for the angle of reflection. As you know, normal is always there, which makes a 90 degree angle. So 90 minus 30, 90 minus 30 will be 60. So this one is 60. As you know, angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. So this will be also 60. So here the answer will be option number 2. Again, question number 49. Arrange the given planets in the increasing order of the distance from the sun. You must know the distances. Suppose the sun is there. It is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Now Pluto is not considered as a planet. So you must know the series. So as per the question, option number 4 is correct. Venus, Earth, Jupiter and Saturn. And the last question of science today is, marble cancer is caused by which of the following? So marble cancer is caused by acid rain. Due to sulfuric acid and nitric acid, these rains are formed, and the best example is our Taj Mahal, on which we can see the spots, yellow spots there, which is due to acid rain, and it is called marble cancer because it is changing the color, white color of the marble. How was the today's video? Please comment in the comment section. Thank you.